In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Google account permanently. So here's how you can permanently delete your Google account. First thing that you'll need to do is to go open Google on your browser. And here, make sure you're signed in into your account. Now in this section, you'll need to go ahead and search for Google Takeout. Before you delete your account, consider downloading your data. So step one would be to back up your important data. In this section, go ahead and search for Google Takeout, and in the results, go ahead and select Google Takeout, and that will take you into this section. So in this section, you need to go ahead and select the data that you want to include your takeout, which are specifically the data that you want to back up to your device. Now after you select that, go ahead and scroll down and click on that next step button. Now on the next step, you'll need to select the destination of the download link, the frequency, the file type and size, and the file size of your Google Takeout. Now after you're done with this, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and head over into your Google account. So click on that manage your Google account button, and that will take you into your Google account settings. And here, go ahead and head over into the data and privacy section, which you'll find at the left hand side of your screen in between the personal info and the security. Under the data and privacy settings, you'll be able to find all of the data and privacy settings that you have for your Google account. Scroll down, and at the bottom, you'll find the option to delete your Google account. So go ahead and just scroll down at the very bottom. You'll find this delete your Google account under the more options. So click on that, and that will take you into this section. So you just need to confirm that it is you by entering your password, and after that, you can go ahead and confirm on deleting your Google account permanently. And that's basically how you can delete your Google account permanently. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.